So, looking at this pair right now, based on how we closed last week, give us an insight about on Friday. Uh, on Monday, give us a hammer that brought us back to 1765. What is noteworthy is we did not breach the high there. In fact, equal highs pretty much. Did breach this low here. We have kind of found a bottom here at 1750, which is no small psychological number. And just below that, we do have a 4-hour band. So we will see how that plays out. I am looking for 1780 on this, 1785 thereabout on this pair. Looking for some kind of retest on this, some kind of something like we got here, but that doesn't have to play out right now. We might get us bouncing around, pop back down, get a fake out or something before we head higher. That's what I'm looking for out on this week. And if we do get the move higher, so maybe we get some kind of consolidation, move higher, then I'd like to slam this back down to 1720 and 1700. See how that plays out. And on GU, we finally broke through. For 3 weeks now, we've been resting on this support. Broke through it, smashed through the daily as well. Extremely bearish day for me, just a continuation of that day. Just looking for the highest place to sell. Will I like to see a reach? Tracing back up here? Sure. But if we can't get that, this was a minor support that we can look into on the hourly. Find some place, but this looks to keep heading lower. See how that plays out over the throughout the day. Could we break this support that we've come to twice now? We'll see. Because if we do, then my eyes are on 1.35. But we'll see how that plays out when we get to that bridge. Same thing pretty much for GJ. As you can see, after that bounce on Friday, we never really came back here. Back at this daily now. Could we come back in to tap this? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see how that plays out. We take a look at the dollar index. I bet this is heading high up. Back above this level here. Back above this level. Also back above this level. You can see how that was relevant today. Oh crap, sorry, excuse me. You can see how relevant that was right there. Had some spikes into it, finally broke above. And now we came straight into this weekly level 3-pin pattern. So today the dollar is a bit weak, which is why we're seeing the uptick in these pairs right now. So we'll see how this plays out over the coming few days. Fundamentally, I don't think. Actually, I don't know because I haven't looked. But this week we have housing prices. Yesterday was pretty much holidays because of Canada had the election, and it was a public holiday in Japan and stuff. And I usually don't trade Mondays anyway. Uh, we have the FOMC statement, so that's gonna be big. Definitely looking forward to that. But apart from that, nothing crazy fundamentally. Enjoy your week. Stay safe trading.